What you doing, little boy? What you doing? You're so cute. Are you awake now? Are you awake now? You're 6 months old. Or maybe I should say 6 months young. What do you think about that? Yeah, that's good news, huh? That's good news, that's good news, that's good news. So what are months? I don't know what that is. Ooh, big stretch, big stretch. Alright, little guy. So this is what you look like when you were 6 months old. You are so cute. Alright. Cody, I love you. I love you, sweet boy. Bye.